Ora choblera.
Sorry for the delay. I'm going to you guys are highly welcome.
Thank you.
Go. Thank you. Konke.
Yeah. What's wrong? There is some. Well, thank you for your time. We are very. Radio. You guys are all welcome. This is our platform. It is for community. But idea ni kon ke di de kon anya mana be jerben. Ya kan no me ko ni diang de kon ke conversation the three of our brothers. Now you could only see two. One is coming. We're going to learn no but the network problem. Ngaraman and kukon communication and guide and kun kai leader. I would also like to introduce our two brothers, Lim Sung Biel and Atwa Redford. Yaman job in Bulltooth. Today is a very good day. We have three of our brothers. In case you don't see Garne one of our own owner. Three of them, including Bull Bugulu, low student, low graduate. So it's very good, like all the people who understand how things work, especially. And my brothers, Lim and Toa, you guys are welcome. This is our platform, and we are proud to have you. Conversation and yours before politics. Young people, what is their life minus politics? In our today conversation. The double your call idea of a concept time is not waiting when we are like more than 1 hour late already. If you guys would like to say something, then program. Start with you, Lim, then to you guys are welcome.
Well, thank you, Kunte. Aneta lo I'm the Burger Co. Lene general community radio. Kadene la diva in particular in Ost. A charmago dene ten che pala community che cha more attention me dene ka bring to their attention as humanity not important. That Mugan in chat. And I shall I have to she made it right.
Okay, go along. There are tell me did ka ka near content cha neural community radio cha lebaka there are tell ba ka kon kai ko si charma che ben gaje o de ne la yos ke ngene daga ci ka nyaw chere ke ti dial to ko kono special la che ka politika kana yos ela tanan ku participate ni yos ka politika ela e topic mo golam te lo da ko ba bala part ka jen program me ane si lo te
Balong, thank you again. We're gonna work a program done. Planning we were like Konangwon and Nandok again. Just divide into question. Anang team then be na konbi kule we me be liang ko. Be ramde lander kule landen. Belbol is okay. Bana continue con la present. Minna mo topic. Yours before politics. Yours before politics. Nyana ko yours ke nei tiene. Politics kan tiada. Ya we yours before politics kan mean mumide like mude de la de yours minus politics. So this is our topic today. Now I will start questioning. You answer, then our people will be listening. I may start with you, Mr. Lim. Let's start with our topic, yours before politics. What does it mean to you? So that we understand maybe like one they believe we are into politics, like we are connected and all of that. But every day we all outside politics. So welcome.
Thank you. Yours before politics. Katung nuara char me ladgo mende na lamiam kon mane. O jindiri ro kon gwe lamwet. Ki diro kon piz. Diro piz diro piz. Ke duel gora di quid duel gora rio kon lat. Diro piz socially. Diro piz did friends, did networking. Diro piz got so kui economy, ka kui kwana. Ko de je dungu no mo dungu. Mo kini ma ikasi asa. No manipulative politics. Ata kora ide. Yeah, we want. So siasa nature and politics nature. A game mirrors the game nishang. And a game mangarge la go la couple no be win. Use for politics. So you corrupt the fair kini any join kini run a match trade and go more. They take a madene, they take a night, they take a morality. They develop as a person. Go run the bullet take a bomb. They take a resilience. They take a what talk to that. Did like the BS stance, okay? Use for politics. Down they misunderstand a little bit the viewers. Chelo no a complete occlusion, involvement of political public affairs. She general know that she will connect general includes con money, Kenyan public, Kenyan door, Tonyan way. Ewo, il corre alla ko bi we all marry. But 1 minute rational that is an men bashar moral je real gani je ka ki ko ne tin wana suggest legal theories, maybe some political expert or community engagement activists Kene na la reason o ini tot ni kule pil ni wani kule wani jin da ta tin wana kan finin na we o yore yin teka kino do we duwa vulnerable bila vulnerable chi expectation chiga be meet again and lot ke use before politics. Thank you.
Molana Lim, that one was a very great answer, I believe. Someone will learn from it. So moving on, brother Sowal, Molana Sowal, as a youth, as a young person yourself, South Sudanese, like, do you think we like we are more focused on politics than we are on growth personally? Okay.
Team go along. There were yes. Hello, Keke Sudan, South Sudan. Oh, ngani. Hello, she didn't know because participate ka politics. La tamo. La mentu ro ka jabo. Agent politics mi chito ka South Sudan. Agent. La ta politics mi to South Sudan. Kene dial jaka bini dial participant ka politics. Hello, whether no jo ki loje. Hello, la teminyo jo bidil participate. Ka jen politics nan le road. Hello, shine itin wan ka parwe mene o ngum mi deran le karod. Hello, shidina attention long ka malera ka South Sudan. Chine itin wan chara kin parwe o tam den jawe ko wana. Hello, gwal mong dial tin mong wen dial tin dem. Hello, eminane shi conversation dial shi dominate long. Jen dum politika ka South Sudan. Hello, long min kuye encourage ke factors to kon tinjago bina participate long ka politik ka ke South Sudan. La min yam ci yos to wan ci joy ci kané ri telong la tel ga yow. La ci tel yono mi dit ci tok la gor ko je politik la shortcut. La ñok ci hotel employment opportunities. La tel la tu grandel goro. Bo joy o me gore. Derelat ko ci tok del goro bo kan ci jek. Constitution den kon dina ko employ ko ci gatto ko del gor ca joy sigilet ka South Sudan la organization te kon de let donc dina ko lobo ka jen period men ca joy ci corruption en ci ditba ke ci ko ya caga tem la ko kuymo sene ron jaka emin na donc de survive ni ka o be ken geej ka politique o telene kenyam la telene ci tel yoni ci ñu c'était lione che yo joyo ba shortcut ba use to make money la ba build bina ka politic anamo ajantan changai ko shine irin wan long shikala politician min kula dor long ke mala reg long on politique nan ko na participate in South Sudan ci jen politique ba ego ala o re mi dit tam shole siki ponsi
You continue.
La jen
Peter.
La pomo si jen en Wilson
Warga wasa billing waje be join ba yibe magan. Ba jaga jiga Facebook. Ba you continue lo ya so this bull person is complaining. Let's continue. Sorry for interruption.
La politique ta ka Sudan ba mi
Okay.
shugo yi she politique mo gwa ba ka kan yos ala chama cha joy ka ku participate ni pun ala jen cha joy pel kan politician to kon ko ka yumi lebe ko kan politician to kon de environment de kul set ala dara ka employ but instead o de lekin kai ni ka o institution lebe ka man zamne ka let kalan mo gwa la pel ka la la way up dong ay sikki pon si la pel ka ni politician la poñ ka di man panana ba ko roj kon ku yono del alors mi jiram ngi turu be tor pointu in politician law be ko lo nyolje mi ya wonen law she tor point ba yimo yow la ko da rawto ca joyo kanden konden kwa politique kwa lele kan ka yos la ko da raw ci tagatin law anyok law politique bo shiwo jaga ka yos law mi she choose la career law she choose la jen ladu law der show gaba go am politique mo mi shibo pelna bu delivery service ko la politician gorgono la tag mu ko compire bo let mi chalo ngalen politician do ajen ala mi jira mu go mi tere o tek yakana NAT ala goru bi dunan bi wono ke bi dunun bi wona ala politique mo be yo career ke je ke lat ke je la bi bina bi ko de
You're done?
ala ma don bo mi sima politique ajan ala mi goro opinion ala ko cha watran ga chong ko dere chara dere gor la simot che let to trying to right to expression ke right to opinion lana mo gob ajan lana bo she politique mi se joy tek mi ci dur la ku opinion ku le gor lana mo long she politique ko la opinion ko matter la mi tek mi jëm le rodo ko mi tam jëm le rodo ko bi wubet ba way ci agree tin ajan ala gomo cha ba cholo politique ajan ala ba joy te mi ci dur mi kul goro bi ñor piet la bi ja ka ci ba tan o ñok mi de lat ko ku yone o long da kon engage ka personal development ala da kon politique da kon moy tam ku yinen diri lanne o diri chuonu kimi nan gori la diri la ba diri let kutu ko ken diri ka let ci o bi ken go bowna ko bi skill ko ken bi develop no ala toro ken ti dial kon dong di upgrade la o diri ara mu gwa ka jeni amna ala toro tun kon di diri ay nget mu gwa jen mi de na let ka do ala toro ala go ko long o de kon lan ka jen law de politique mo mi ci dit longo mi la rong bo ci politique mo go ko cha ra chol politician to go jenda kon ki ba side ana mo jen opinion ka ta politique ka South Sudan ka yos
Brother Molana Towa, that was a very good one. Moving forward, Bol Moradio ko struggle the network, so we continue. Moving on, I'm coming back to you, my brother Lim. The time pahla de Molana Towa, you all are too engaged. They are more engaged in politics more than who engage in their personal development and other stuff. So in our country, in our case, South Sudan, what are the signs? Like young people, because you all see when you we abandon ourselves, our personal development, that we are rushing into politics. So we want to hear from you.
Thank you. Team go. Cha san yan nyot ba Molana Towa can some signs. Te tu wan de nyol ge long ta me o mani cha let ken apal. Now here we okay. Here we got two category, two levels. The broader level of community, the individual level because use among themselves. The con area and change one automatic con can use the con manaba. The con track the can condial community get low manipulation. What we are seeing in your channel rod and felt let con negative conflict siyasa need kwa enforce ya bluntly enforces when some politician me chijanya siyasa the number 10 years or more than that and then win go la room go gwado ni tanga chikete choose la room again ala chikete come ala deide when and when it wrote mostly con when teach chikule gwaram ala di let con and social media la dana let con channel fel la dana dekula mobilization care awareness community awareness kind civic engagements channel fel la dana o kwana phrase no politician ko contact politician tin char link politician dan and chi con recruiter ko bana wenyi iti alano mo kel mi very obvious mi nyo con mane channel let con en gabal channel wala let see other mi tel mi ko rewu de ko community level we mon la ne de la real community ka de la kwa issues kwa cool kan gamane ke use population in Guinea. So as we grow older, one na mo liu an kamano. Ala ne ye don kwe ni kan when like an age man age in one end on more active. Ala me tell awareness come la ke. La luanga problem no community la luanga solve. Ka wa contact ni ga so Sudan ata dun kan kon let kon fal kon ngane. A channel ko le wajan ni di kwala we used to ya instrumentalized SRC as the tools to achieve political ends. Then a problem no one then solve. So Sudan's problem, Jonglei problem, Kielo Umer problem. They go long and solve. Lucky at a mechanical look at our neighbors, Kenya, Gen Z. They have done a lot. Chaka influence morphology. I work on social media, my right corner, baram mobilize in millions. Bigger pose in millions. Money all our force money president, you know, but decision nigga baganya will reconsider. But here we are. The nana answer compromise. What did you media woman? We are me beautifully check me, like do it to check that person. Could be a keep on track. The Kulo Moy unnecessary credits. Katele Malaga. Alano more at a community level, a minyo con assign kel minyo let con any of it. Go don't call let a lot of problems. So a lot of problems would be reduced. Reading one day your thing. Nika county near problem rail or con waterman. So well you tell I'm right quid. Go Chiro Moisa when we been like we were like talk of perception me at least justifiable mid ling rodaba ko jin majira an win la ling ni roi win la mi we been nga chawa chabli I don't know we use neutral mi jan de ramata kai de la longa jonga tiga kai but by default we find ourselves there unfair fact no more sign kel ka community sign kel cutting that con ka personal level second to me nyoli nyok ko ngane chalet ken fale o neta kel con ne go to excel kel con excel we have just got few to go excel them work areas getting small money and then channel the limit but to that stage where I let them manazama te du motor me do change big thing dirite do dien ala kora tema tell con good examples thing one if there is one but tell con thing one there an conclusion could drive thing when Latin la dien kwa borodi and develop personally ka kwa develop economically. Those are the signs.
Molana, thank you. I have learned a lot by your input so far. Everyone watching is also learning. More topic than a topic may a very fast will continue on. Before going to you, my brother Thawal, I have one more question for you, my brother Lim. Did I let Dodge along a little corner channel La Danielity? We are into politics, we can understand the killing local community. Konananga or case in South Sudan. Moving forward, the movie large by the movie on one allow the community apart from this political whatever.
Go. Team go. Them and very honest. Shuman and banner are pioneer and the colato. Conwane. Men denalat, men go or that corner like some con road and beer. We road. Good biro guirede. Guiro gin. Goro mangai career. Lalat belong cut walk gora. Nijin the tour. Long learning the tour. Learning a run the dot. We take an hour to well. We take a forger. Lat the Naila de Lum. We let be a cool long. Nijin to share in you cannot go to degree.
Welcome, my brother Bull. So we're happy to have Molana Bull.
Let him come.
Let me continue.
So the point is, Jinko, we were all at Ganiam. Bail, cutting one. Bail, be take a social network. Be take a car. Politics, like we read. Land me more public services. Very, I'm forever. Be what your case knowledge. To take something you will put back onto. Who are joy when Polchina do China do anything. Didn't know what joy which one and the Amuni. The better be new thing. Ping woman. That I don't do the new thing. Cotica career. A gymnast, a gym lawyer, a gym AR, a gym any. Baby better be no longer than co contact co be Gorba. I will read book.
Yeah,
When Kino University for whatever reasons. For some reason, no Kinship College. Read books. I know read politics. Calling high politics, you cannot play something you do not know. Learn guys start up method. Long okay, Michi will go along Java. Learn trade. We take up one. Kurun. More joy was yes, and more turn around. Balloon job.
Okay.
a problem at water man che sign chana anyone the problem is very and I am sure and ngai about that this recently used word that come on because also that need they did me only sure body defense force so that name is real and I give me sure body defense force man
So you're defending your food.
yes
Okay.
we work politics telegilat teleji yo tele alajin bu vulnerable un ka political environment what thing what turn around allow the only thing the only one option maybe resort to kel ka dot work kel bi o mai thing around sequence to me ala mo lan so ko jen necessary ko jen necessity you know the integrity to be a compromise integrity do be a compromise and the resort to sequence be near political career do you can't hear the woman the political she fail gas yaza turn into sacrifice tell woman in your woman you create a lot of enemies and a more a problem every while you are playing politics and what that you can see how on return cut table political table people value themselves as like their criteria te ko na value okay by value okay ngede nong cut table ni teleji yo by value yo and I get chai dem value ni tele kel meteji ci gen kin ro develop as a person kin ro develop economically don't you just rush into that run ni value go kwa allow admire them ko I like us all of us whether from politics or that ideas can do change ngai ba ngat mi si woga siasa mi te chop ka level decision making latin ba tin ba wala ke ken interest da ko at least tane the con generation kan tane ga believe to chat kat by da ke wo jin ga kwan si wo ban run bang bu pen zero kono ru gwir ko tamba wo bang it is just a failure to all of us cut to you as individuals advise though like let's first develop ourselves corner of weird language maybe lat be lat siasa ga yo lon ko siasa lat me to ngona chi me lon yara mi tel resilient take criticism dum lat jor mi lon mi ngar me tot me kiro gwir chi bu long tolerate chi bu long ga ron be wo chelelu take thing want to work ka reide ke yo so mi tel ji yo chi bu long ala wana motama moya kon le yak tele ko kene dene la tiger siasa tidene le community dene ko community check for example fundraising thing philanthropy works yen fundraising ni did what in did gala as the services to be as a person la professional services is more than enough go campaign you can enjoy the outbreak of diseases to the cleaning of this one me to few to go campaign to sanitation these are the work to the collect tera am go be bailen bien nom ke duop me che jogoro ko duop do dien me chadenen be jo ba jo ngane no this one cannot work it is like this one then engage no ka siasa ke kanyin public but channel del pal be part of your women ko rule and in your political life la days could be at thought a short very short period in wine competent me deliver I cannot by then or let's work on ourselves cannot by the come use let's work on ourselves community let's work in ourselves and our community but this violent politics. Politics ne more violence. But our context was everything like, you know, we have that like I don't know. Again, thank you.
Long, thank you. We're happy you see ball you can join. I hope conversation and when you go, go on. Ni chiram ke ro je tang kon la kon mai ni kon mute so that we know is the kule ko re je ga ko ling ne kon ko we both welcome. Sorry kita ke difficulties ke go didn't join chago conversation ya go to ke ta cha advertise topic again use for politics ngumi de long na ri ken ke langwane my politics. So moving forward, you join us now. And I will give a chance to Molana Tawal, then you will get yours. And then we work on go. Molana Tawal, you are along and so come like Jana focus along on young people on politics more than on ourselves. You yourself, being a young person, like the rest of us, who are privileged to have received education somewhere. Kon when you got kon in can let you don't go. What role ke women let? So then a crisis. We now is like a crisis. So in South Sudan, like yours, they don't know what they are doing. They just join politics. We have to understand it. But for us, those who are privileged to have education.
Okay. Go along. Min dong de lat rami she sugar.
Yeah.
Pinen din kopin. Wala ana jan goda.
Yeah, like we young people were in this mess, but we don't know like our life without politics. We could do a lot for our community. So, as a young person, yourself who is yours and who is also privileged to have education that you have, young people in our community to only focus on their politics. It should not be a
Go along. La ka kuidan kon eti sita ka banko chana gorja. Ajen la min de kon let to kon ke rol tungwan ke to kon ke ditu mi dit. Ko min la lar ke je ran che gor. Ba we community mo we gora. Ke do la mi ci gor. O te ti ko expect je ti belat. To kon ke rol mi dit community che ko ba. Min yam malaw da kon mal da kon preach da kon promote do kon dial ke re doran kelo namo ko doran ci joy mal la ta da ben gamal ke ta na der lot ko kon namo mu enran la gorje o dere la let ke mu gor ko der let nyok bo ram ci gora te cer tungwan to go la ti cara mu ken gor la ko kuy mo ci ga nerin ci gor la community dan te resources tungwan la ta ngene te ko pen la ngene nyete man ngene dole la de por jeng tungwan de galet jan la ciok kur man jenen ngar ga ko be minan la kan iri gor dia waje ken charge kan ko mal long la nong go to the spot la de por jeng ti go ti de yol de mat go kel de galet ne ko kura mana competition ko ken changa worwa ala tin golden kon de yolo jentel ga je tin de politique de paru ga je la toro ko tinin go jan alaw ka kuido dian long chila don no la ne ko ken we mi de gor ngum de loka la ke yosun ko ken rami ci gor to kon ke ditu bo ka gan mana kon tin gol tin kon del goro ben tin kon buwe wo del goro ben tin kon keno del goro o kon fiya ke duktu ngon ala rom kon ko go chayna rom kon go ndial kon jan siya mo ngay kon chala do education chada kare to ka formal kan informal learning ken formal education la informal education long la education be da kon spread la informal ka gathering la whether go chaya ki go la ana go mi china matene whether ka go kur go bono la bi diri na shum kay reti go jan la toro de ngel tin kon tin koy la de ga ka de kan reti go la da kon menti shi da kon lel la kon de din ci ta banko cha gorje mentorship la da kon ne ko ken da kon ngi ko duptu go de society na dana me de kam nel ko je nyok bo da kon la da kon la negative things to ke ample practice to kon let kon community dan da kon discourage ba kon yos tin ci go ko la community ni siang chawa la culture dynamic la gerro
That is very good. For example, though we know that the run reaching Wame the doll, Wame Penny water, come Lena Argo, and I will listen to discourage. We are proud of them, part of us, but now in 2025, moving forward, these things are not important.
Jan ala de kon yos kon ko la society ci kon la de ban woka ka civilization la wi mon nan ci jan ko gar kon la mi kon la de piji ngal kon ban wuñ mon ban ko ala goro lan culture wi mon mi ba kul gor tegati boy ke je ka kon la te boy ke wuñ mon mo ban ko woy binti kon ko comply ke je ala ban ka la ci goro bo de kon yalla kon pel duno tagati da kon ko woy la long chegal marriage la chega mi ci doy dir kwen ko ngode ko la na mo la cherlut ko chenam to ko re bal mi dilom den la tel kon quoi tam la tukra na dul goro la me kay la kan la nije be gor da to ya ga banyal kwal be jan dong ba wi ba bi wi wul kay ma ko chelal jek bokul be tagara mi takel jang
I think you could be one of those guys.
Ala na mo jen film beloji ala ba ba tarji long ko toro ci ga go da kon ngwan ba da kon jo la ngot kini kiro no real ka go la rew mi chara ga men la ko cha ma cha da ying ma jen ko metel yow ala kura mi gor yow kuri ñono jen ala la ri problem la ci ku wozen
Sorry for interruption. Like, really getting a con with related to each other. Let's say, I'm I graduate, tell a lot of young. So, room I believe you were let them in the bubble. I will just go for psychopathy, and all of that. So, are the yours, we can engage each other, yours, the con the con the life or the yours minus politics.
Jen la okay so mi tam na ci bar mi do no ba ban la example to go kon yotin ci ngor la bi character bi be ñew jin gor la bilet la wur mi gor ko ci jen la ni ko ti kon chame ko to ko kon kan tap ko ngunti atin ko bo gur man ti del to la mi jin gadol gor mo go la bi ko discourage ba la mi go ba jin la cheñ be bi na ci ngab na cheñ la te lo ram bi na cheñ o bina lit ka example la dir dan dide long la goro banen goren to la banen let la gor wa gor character la character am gor kon je long la tele kan iri gor ngon jan la goro banen mo ngo atin jan mo den bo la agenda me ko kon discuss ki project me non la cha non ñirol community radio la mu go bam cha la ngon ti gor mu go de appreciate de kon woni mo ko je ko babu yi nen ti ci gor baleng ne rek gol dun ko ken ban ro kon chuma no bar won yambo ko ban advocate kentin go kon gor kon ke o bi won yam kon kel jen laga kuy mo ba chu chong won mo.
Thank you, my brother Molana Tawal. That was a very good one. Moving forward, one of our late guy. No, I mean the guy who was late. Good. But I hope you understand what we are discussing here. Bull.
Waku.
Molana Bull, we are talking about yours before politics, yours minus politics. Young people in our community without too much attached to politics. You're the responsible, you're the like who understand maybe like they can the community and like there are so many issues going on over political differences. This one is out of our control. But other than that, any responsible young people who are educated. The moment they learn to avoid division and to promote unity over division. What could be our role in that? Konakan? Bull, are you there? Bull, disconnect.
Yeah, it's a network issue, I think.
I don't know what should we do.
Maybe
Then
all right.
Yeah,
Okay.
let me can have something on what was said by Thor, so that this guy.
Towards chatting one chatting to go ya touch. Cut and then na engagement. Che practical case che mean che win your compliment. Check no. Me allow shake a hair marriage, for example. Allow hair marriage rampant Doran along. We have seen that. Everyone knows early marriage jagger kakone yali bandol. But the problem is dwal kon ke community. Dwal kon community like we go to be conform. Be conform to the system and to anyone. La no more tell kon courage. We don't have courage to challenge the status quo. Ki ta te thina tamba. Chik tell kon gwil. Ki tell kon, bomb me lar me de kon me kongole jone me jego. Ka kanairen kwa effect effect in wrong kan she manako. Again your sister guriji ki gurugurudu. Again nyanyi more, nyanda more. No one yellow. So me dwal na shemen George eteme ngoda ko continue. Ka tele me let kono ten. Wan jema na zamat. Go take na me chande la de chagwa. Lakin chi effective go ro community Kenya mo kono submissive. Ba kono na me jena bala. Mo we wono din ne radian me kugule lo mi cheka manazamba. Ba ka kul longa lo. Ala cha ide longa lo mi jinan willing. Lo ka jiko jin willing. Me go along on a me cheres me more practical case me dena lo ni nekon. Den lo ni community dan. me kon ngane kan let kon fante dena ko focus ci mo let en chana ko la fene tam ma kon la de discuss ne ko nyen gare ne ko nyen you know nyen siyasa ne tin check traditional siyasa taw chengwin ni chengwin titene to the alto kan dena na educate ke by the time as we are speaking and train you there here fast record you there go at we are less interested in this thing jana won mana ko kien chikon kala data metri along as a use jana gala la woni jin do dwal ko community la winyoro ko marai la ne gar gurmi cia chenkel cia barkel cia take fo kel run mo before you we in track kana mo chup kan environment den ko le get michi we le ben 2 years la bi ba ina chingi bi je chere mane michi re nyod wal bi re nyom mare bi am lo ben diob dun be bi je re nyom mare be nyom bore ala no pio shadan de la an clear goide tere kwa I know we are still hopeful kon wene bana learn the hardest way go to kan kon chu long one thing one chu ni kon mete en disorder ko community je na kon ken jerame ti chan lo de je na kon ga go ma wo hotel mal ne la tara korojin gor ni mo hotel mal jin te dream mo goro bete me bilan mo wa in trap be dream no be passport be time be kap jo like chi mo goro shi malong je be shit mani chi chop ke level me mi shi mo level chi plan I think cha compliment am royal at via molana so wa kat kenten go point den la ka de lat na ideal to go kon yeah.
Well, take a thing here, the ball and unfortunately, the connection is not with us anymore. But it's okay. We should continue. Yeah, you all to Muxuli. Itu are ya Jen.
Dia wane ta issue.
What's up? Jen, you tell them.
Dia connection baran.
Bull is coming.
So regarding work, I don't know. You can't hear comfortable network. Yeah. Kan odian kan ke disappoint long and sorry odian ke kata nan ci jang nga ko topic nan cha lat chaling ka ba cha gade ya jarwa ikara me jangon me cha problem ba janga
thank you for coming back, bro.
Topic use for politics ko ngudena lade kon use
yeah Molana take a thing, but you unfortunately you Jen.
All right.
So I can ask that question again. And you also understand again, they can exist, they can contribute minor politics. And the community can get the escalate situation, like we know what is happening around the country. They understand what they should be doing. If it is not clear, I can repeat.
Yeah.
Question. Now we are talking about yours before politics, like women alone and minus politics. So if we are to achieve that one, they can contribute meaningfully minus all this political mess. Model of community care country to stop all division happening, to promote unity about division.
Jaga mic kita.
It's not clear again. Huh?
Ya mai du jaga lene la ngo ma pai mai chamba ka ne.
Yeah, what I'm saying, Molana, our today topic, yours minus politics, yours for politics. So let's say we are to achieve that one. Because all of us we understand we should be contributing something to this community without being too much involved in politics. So if we are to achieve that one, how can we stop all these division, all these differences, and promote unity in our community?
Topic mo ga which ala yours kere mangai kone kan population na tilwa kana lat tilal kana tinang kana go to go katin de na lua kati jati de lat lat milalat ke yours no mo ewo kan community maybe bomb have a joy community ne la let tin long la ka ne tin yours kan la let tin wo community dan be chong na community dan bana wane ka ba direction ba gorken wo community mi mess up be direction yen ba define ken wo kon as yours mi community dan tetene bana wane so an agenda mo there are ko ken yours panken me mangai ga malat keken mangai ga malat keken ngai ka agenda dien wo wagani ka ngai ga community dien wo ka any society chidela yours kui community do community dien so jin yours a duty do community be study be research be lad chan be kulun lo chagan mangoya won ne de lade yours kenyam especially so Sudan yours ewo society can understand go society tedi can understand kona right to bana problem no bana ka solve but kan ling society dan wekedi en research mo mi chana ko lan ye kenyam dar kul te go den do bana kul wasin den kul ngai adama mi chi weje wije ala en society dan a political community mi chi weje wije kini ideal la anything milarane ko e politicide kami chi weje wije go community being la community mi cha define jike ngai keje wo interest dien enemene o kon den la de wo ne dene community ni kon dene kalwa especially dene leadership dene lat chema lat keje ka yos lat keje ka association lat keje ka club house mi che gane me tro kati dene lat mi chana kala de chana lo long lo fin let's say che meta kon ko platform mi che ne me dene topic ni ti kon ngang kon dene kala kon discussing dene we mong kon agenda mene dene debate dealing kade go ne kon go kon ka media so there were loitana need kon chenyo need kon chenyan che we loidien dele wala loidien need kon chaling go so anamo kel dawda wo dena community no kon dena kalwa kadwel gora tama dwel gora na me ala michi we gwe je we pinyelong kadwel gora ajena nanen na kuna le nongnial yamroi kon wale knowledge roi kon na me je kon ko we kon ga michi we je ala focus dan chana gad kon chana kati ko gad mana kon do goro kon chana kapal chana kar ke chana dwel gora dien chana realika yet mewo wa korun dan walde bana complan ngut society ke ja a wo society la de use kana wana won ne bigger contribute financially bigger contribute ba ngidian metin jin ngin mudir sup bigger contribute ba ka ala kata nan kwa non peace kwa non peace ka society so and contribution mo mi chana kulat der kul joy woni ne bana kul tego foundation mo ga ko der kul joy woni ne bana society dan lo point na min yam wo society kan understand wo ngu point ne ani yos goro go diri understand wo society bi kul lo mi ku problem ki de longa solve ala no mo hypothetical ki de longa solve problem mi ku ye yungu atama la walat kon dor ba to ba molpin yejen ala kon use ba chana na bijo won ne me we ne that ne kayet chana gwa ala chana to compromise yejen goro go bana stand tall bana na jo won ne me riya me de joine riya me de joine so do bu kulte space mi kwanan le ko rodan bana kulte ga daga ne de konde na tin la dit kaban te daga ne de kon la man kaban man de don kaban te daga ne de kon la gat kon kan gwada ni to namo ajana goya dawda go business kana pala long mi we jeje kana career development kana ga pal ala focus dan na me kika NGO ka kana na bulon ko lozin namo wo mu gwi je te diri business lon ka lat to tigini ideal tin tila lon ke business kene ri tot mu gwi rana wona ne diri business diri lat de dukan diri lep alas ni dukan lep de ke more de ko ko gaji e ko do ko ni jege ken ko ga ken me ken dukan mo lep chaga de je and then bigi jaga bigi te access ko biyo bigi jawba so jog de ne wona ne then awareness ka peace then advocate ke peace dan miki weje yo daga ka country ku marwai kon ga contact South Sudan way dan jejen tela rama dena mapalje ka tele ne ide babala de ger kon mete bor mi je kon sin do the no point that wo dena peace dena encourage society dena violent dena jakaba by stop ko kan kon use ndabe to quale use any ideal jejen mi ci kon bum ai ci kon bum cha kon de use ke ci rada dien ce de la we use ya daga ke mi ci kon bum wo ta kon ko bom mi ta kon ko bom nana mo bana use ko bana country dan bana ya laka o jagge jejen ko mi jagge ala goro wona ne bina char ko kide o jagge de asa mo wana o palije wo we no wo ne ka county ne kon ka so dan kelo ku jang nyam ni ngani mo wana palije wo teno dwe koro ke ethnic politics ala telem ko losin so ajan go mo de chong tin wo use our side politics de la de won community leadership kia political community leadership but sometimes nang na la politics kia politics community leadership wo community buying forward by nung mi aledi ejike ejen ya mata kwar use la dine di kia wo big interfere ka politics wo mate mi yer community bari ala ka mijin ko nuare mi ci nuare nen wo ke jak bina jo nuare wo ke jak ala ejen la dumundi ejen meta ka bailen bina jo na me to logo ya wala magaje bilat so popularity sometimes ki bu gor ko ku compromise arana no ko wojin mam loje bina jo loje ndo ejen ana mo bi use bu kul terol mu dire dama mi kiran wala do re garwen wala ci jan la lat je we ci jan la kwa kon intimidate mo akon cha intimidate mo akon intimidate tel mal long le kana akon cha la wa nyon nang ka politics mi ci we la de do re na ko ku community ala bay wonyo nong bay wonong ka politics bay jo won ne ura ne ma cha ya lel kene jeja ara me dong politician gar ngwen ne ma cha ya lel kene ma jin ta mo te ga time ne jin ti ga time le dini time du wale le dini community du le dini ga time so politics one day chen wo re de we re de kangal mi cha inga na telo gwamba nungi politics palne politics ga tamna politics bana within 20 years coming go reputation muga kran go tiga integrity go ala agin twag wadi yejen dukulo wa politics ko wo by law na as ka bitega trust go be stand community as of now regardless rani jogo wona me jego chukar ge kuna biel brand ken ani use go be brand be biel me business by banga politics business do me go no bla politician be take influence let them being stand the community now be na jo wona na community be wona ramlo je diga mu wo gaji that is fine take a time be fair ram point be exit be bin so yo shiro be compromise ko ejiti te continue akan ejiti konen be brand bi lat kije banga yo wona ne nganga e wurum tene so mu ko ayo confusion e di te kai ti te ko ni jendi jen bakel jen baro why confuse what time nang chai ja ka bai ngai community dun ke wo lwe ji e mu ne male ne bin tene ano mo mi jira mi te ka long ko ko te ke vision ko go dir society dun dir religion kel ala bila tulit wa we proof buwara mi don chai bi ngaza ne mo tejen ladba goro ban de tin ko chi we ga politics jimboro chai de twazana being the yo being take livelihood mit te jini wen business a career being take ji kenyam mu wo ka politics bina nga wona ne chi de ko bi kwa ken basham tejen ko mu wi ke jimboro a clear wi ke ko wi cham ne kwana tejen ko ramana bole chi de kam kun ito we benien kana bole dare wa cham kun tejen wo politics is about resource te kam karana go jang kam ga ji ke twas reputation mi biol ke integrity mi biol to dial to le ke mi ka use tejen this community to mu ato dial to dena kalad dena ko waka politics tejen the politics dena ko wote space ka politics ka dena ko wote ngal tro kana de martin to dong ta kon ke question de kong ka wata dan wara ba chongono.
Thank you, Molana Bol. That was a very great one. Moving forward, before Kananewa forward, take a TV, a day one. I think it's a very good question by Queen Condial, and we are all welcome to answer. Question back, Burambang. Burambang, Jene Sowal said, you are the one being used by politicians, and unknowingly they are not aware that their time is being wasted. And instead of blindly following politicians, they should be the one advocating for the best interest of the community by urging politicians to embrace peace and development. The question, how can yours voice be heard by politicians if they are not involved in politics? After all, if someone to be heard, they must come closer to the decision makers. Telling me a question, three of you.
Yeah, very clear. Very clear.
Yeah. Like
Okay.
Molana to was in any way, you're quite a politician, a quite work a politician, why they blindly, go blindly. Kakan daga na ide advocate again go like they should be the one telling politician to do this. They take a demand a politician. Then down on the other world.
Okay.
And Bull Rambang. Then ka jawran de kuling di nyalo distant from politics.
Okay. Good question. Jan, hello. Katan la den no la use to one ke ngene long. Hello, la tanan ci pen ka politique la ci pen ka politique do mi je. Hello do dan der ki la cede kan chailing la jawdan cede kan chailing politician. Do dan chailing politician ko mi tour kon la pani la tour kon ka pani kon la ci do ban rolling ka politician. O bi politician ye bul mel be tor point bi kulo ka show mi jalel ala na mo la ci jene balingi politician
In John Molana, Jene politics is not about you worship God.
Ajen hello politics jana wawa la politics den ci o bi ram ci ke wurmu yal piji macha
Networks.
Network is bad, eh? Network is failing.
Network is bad, I think.
Well, tell it me.
Network.
She network share in from mat.
And then
La Paul tek chiu bana bi panana kon ke yos ko kon dial. Si yos ti gor gor ke. La yos ke jikur ka la yos ko panana ba. Yos ke kan gadul gor yos ke kene dial to garba tin telet. Ala o ti dial to ke yos ke ngone ke dial. Ala o la tanan bana jawdan bana jakka balin ke je politician mission kana mel kona no. Ala mission kana mel kona ala mudunga. Ala na me ko le kona ke sur community la la na me we ke je ne ti ko mbo ti gol de share de gu de ling ne dial ala na me mugwa da kon jawdan da kon jakka balin ke je apu la mu ko post la go opinion ka Facebook do ko sometime mu kana share go ko to me le ro ko le chop ko ne dial go chaw share petin won tam shi post la jinjin la kana share donc kan pereno ko kon la pereno ko kaji donc tel man politicien ba ko lingde chabeling go mo non la go ma chabeling je la nyok bo to kon ke whatsapp no to ditti I think to politician kel I don't know do no gwalne sheka la sheka uror community association ka whatsapp ne la to kon ko ne rin won ka tin won mo la amati ke mu go mu turi la de puch la goro bi la na dealing ba ko dob ni ajan la lianga ka te kuimo la min jek nan ci kon de la ci kon politician yi kon poñ ko ba kon kuleng ci kon politician yi kon motor poñ ni kon ko ba kon pul mo yow ki ba kon kuleng ba la tro ko discard ni kala ci politique mu gona mo jen politique mu construct mi yega na me la ko na me la ku engage ci la topic cheta topic dan long ci sensitive jen ko da kon yos kana politique long donc ta kon ke la ko mo kon continue bu kon ngut la wala kon lan yega na me ko dio yen chang na ma kon ala ba jawran baling ko ban topping to go bo community ko ci kon bodwal ko let kon ñin community to ko ba ba nga eden la tira mi ko la community dan la politician da rule ni upel eden kullu ci ngi wore won ma ka gambele mane South Sudan won mo rule ni upel dar eden la ba to ba la eden o la tile kon kala kon di community la ci du ram kel du nan kon dial eden la tiram de bi je ngula de no la o shesh ko opinion ni mi jere community la bi yare community mi chay go ki mi dir mat kana ka je ki mi dina la ko opinion nan bi kon la ka kan nga be benanga eden ko kon de la kon part community la banu lat mi shegana bana lat la ba jaw dan link je o ram ci te mi go long very important question o lat mi shegana lat mi go la mi kon engage kon de la mi tega topic mi go ba me discuss ala ba discuss on me jen ala no ba ci ugi kon dial ala bana ta community dan to gun mi ka gron bana discuss go me lare kon bari je kon go ndin gol to kon sima we dan ka so Sudan law bana kala kuna me jen du nen to gor lan mi sheka la me o kon ci long ko chena ci kon ta ka 1 2 hours ke 3 na libre donc temre den deran la jen ala next time chang ba le jane tam da ko ba ja ko mi tot ke ba ja ka 2 hours ala ko to kon ko let gol ala betetin bana jawdan bana ja ka lenga ke jen do mi sheka na me ana me do mu go ala da kon we woni am ko je jen bana jawdan bana ja ko shup ko jen go mo de
that was very very great, the Molana Zoal. If you can add,
a good question, Mr. Choramba. A team go out here, Charlie, Kakona me corner de Joe Diane Conman, Cassias. They could link it, which con tear Cassias, Kay con Wiggasias, and I can tell you. Correct. So, do over the Larai and Makune support. She may allow day to work, go to the Nola baby. double te rambi lo nyo liang ke liang en ke double te rambi o ling ke o chala ke la de balat jamo ke rambi chiling go aba ke la de ala jatwa ala chan la kon chine is a phone or use baran your politics on way. That would be weird. Melane con real or do ka bikula wa politics. Ko bikula wa useful. Alangin ngoy du ka jeka politics ka kiro gwir. Chibu wa useful. But what are challenges? What are those challenges? Mbu to wo ni bu to wo jena. Ko chi wo ban kiro gwir telling me. Tell je career. Tell ma alangin ko tell skill. Chai bu no long kan siasa motire. Number 1. Number 2, bitiling aiba alat ko lat siasa ga lat ko wala ni community ka. Chi bu long ko kin me la. Tel mi chimela. Yo long ni lan din la ni whole country ka. Bu kin ron long le as a person and your way. One agin ko gwe. Ko kwidwel ko. No te yo. Teni yo ko ru no mo fail. Ko game war ne ka join na ene game we mo joy te miracle te mi be pente beten bu be pente ko ji ai nyo du jo mu bu yete le gom wide option na bi do ga go jin bila sikofa du bi duno bi goro bila ne man whatever mean possible day ja go di survive we ala du wa vulnerable diogdi en ojin bikin rogwir kin ron gwir morally as a person bitel rot ko sia la mete kwel lan mete ngu bi wa vulnerable be mal corrupt ko ngwane be wa sensitive ko jina will you convene us ala mikiro gwire te dialti dina will convene di go bay longa le daga mi chang ni yourself you are not like you are not providing services to yourself. These services you provide to the whole country. So what we are saying, the bottom line is, we are not going to set a specific age. Allow me, if you can make money at 17, did it for 20 years. You read books a lot. You got a lot of knowledge at 20 years. It started at 21. We like that. Cheng Bibela or governor, we like it. Alantame melane opportunity under Kwame is used. Kola we kiro gwir. Bishola ne interest ram ku use ni jila tool ko jin vulnerable kiro real. Do you need be chi be opportunity do jin ngadamo be a fail. Mi who fail chirle nyoje. Chirbi nyoje by ham completely. Let's go to politics, but let's fair. Let's fair for it. Let's fair ko banakolo succeed ka siyasa. I'm feeling like to mention some name, but I can't. Lana neran be keshan be jen. Be what the politics di interact na mi siyasa me go somewhere. State ke national level. But 5-6 months, 1 year, 2 years, birama be jen. Be take another political turn. Ala Arun, la NATO, we know what they are doing. Like what? I want to resort to think Tiran like they are going nowhere. Take one of them. And another one, lastly, Kayan said Chorambang. Or maybe there may be exceptions. Maybe there are some people con opinion in chi absolute. Don't that Ramade Wagasi has a imity and it. Could they succeed? Then that person is exceptions. New majorly. Kidide, let us prepare for it. Pano jen brand kulo fat ko jen dag along rare, but that is in a rare case. And again info de Nyoman in contact question Choramba. Thank you.
Yeah.
Great one.
Mende ma person tool method long. Chitam nan chabu along. Tiega de calling and mechana work of politics. La which continue land go na chi work of politics. kare me chala chile mala ne won chabu wotin mo wo kon me cha wo use kare me kon ka association in them chika political association jen chika party ni kadi kwa represent community wo ba kon link kan politician ne pan wo bi ko go mo ka kon jen tem gori kon kan ken pan ken kana la ne go ne bana se access ke jen metera me kon empower ta mo kwane welcome the community dan support jara mo kon le go jen be benera mo bo use na me biala dene kala chay luane biala dene tin jen kala mi luane kon ga yow luane kon ko moral support alara mo gor kone kana la ni woni ne ye politician ne ta kon kala nge ke jen wo en melane ye woni ne mi gor go bo politique ni am kwana example nan kene de la kwar use tame taga ala kwa bil jen kwar use kwa bil kare adian la ke politique taga but ken queen gain ken kwa ngel ko problem o mi de la di mi just kwa di balum ro ana mo jen agenda ta ni sin jen agenda da wo kon use kon ro per ken yam no go ni wo ka politique be community dun be ko lit ken yam in engage to community dun be involve ka decision te balat politician ni wo ben ka jiwo ne binam bi balat ne mi jia bi lo to wo chi interest chi wo ken ka interest yours bina jogi kon yours kun stand ne kon non political organization kini gore ne mi de promote that is fine but wa ala politician kon ka welcome ka wo milat ga kon ga to go bana ka welcome but ramu guru woni ne be kon be use jak bana rona bana ngulen bana interest bana promote ka do mija ala ramo kirandan to kon chung kon ala ni ko biel rodian kejen to na we ka politics atil kon ke imagine chang mekin kon la ko re na darun mi ci wa country de wo kwani de na lonka lilu kami tele let's say an lawyer na me donc balo practice bangule go mo ba wo be ga ngatin ka ba we mata ka agenda ka win mon and then bakule enter ka politics is low if jam nangan from level 1 to 100 kero de linga mo go mala ne wo chi wo kwana ka kat go e ka be ka ben muga healthy interference diga ben ne go bana kan go ne mu no nge ken ajan rai nan ne tin kine te ka go ne da su kit giga dena su kit giga ka go ka ne kon ta ko community ko kon kelba ya jan rai dan
thank you ki damanan bai o la wor I can see chang ne ko ta ko gen ke chol kon one more question which each of us one very short yeah one of one of the last stages okay question thing Molana Lim we talk a lot again this topic how needing one like that to attach to politics and all of that. I believe that a lot of young people out there who only see politics as the only option. So what can you say to these people?
Good, a very good question. I would say only one word. But describing one word, then I will explain it. Mendela Ram of video and politics is the only option. Young and ready. More ready. A suicide mission. A suicide mission. I can tell you go with it. More do more. See as she is a Bible. She not always in the Bible. Allow me she was in the Bible. You will not like she step 90 of one she go check it before back. And Mende like the what Mede you know. Did you my friend? Take your time. Study politics. Know it very well. many we go being I will win. We on I being I will move. Allow me we change an only way of survival. Change a real politics. Chai more wrong information. And they advise and you, my friend, just build yourself. Kuro build. Real roduka. Move over the Bengaji and Mogoru. Sias and let now the come Mogoru. Be now the okay, move within maybe. Go need 2-3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 1 year, do one bit of back. Oh, that is also another formula. Look, you will get away with it, then you will deal with administrative procedures. And when you no more agent the only way, it's not true. You know, work away. Your letter study, your learning. Of course, tell me Alan Molana Bol. La society dan go on ordinary research, political society. Go out deep society con ngai. Diri kulong lo, which is very true. Problem dia con ngai. Problem society ga dia con ngai di kulson. Mendela in this context go la siasm go to become 9 years. Ala problem no wonder the counter Kenyan siasa, Kenyan politics. The society and egg force. Ke ono alamin go long term dena kon ngai tem go to siasa dena ngai lo. In politics tell me tell mers. Let me use just example. I'm just using example. IO, IG, whatever they are doing. Chui jaka moral angle. Ko tell morality in politics. As long as they will win. About far jaka game of war. Justifiable. They are right to do it. This is what this game implies. IG, whatever they are doing. Tell a moral. They can lie, they can kill, they can deceive, they can do whatever they do. Michaiga win. The action is justifiable. I mean that's also something that was said by a political expert, scientist, Machiavelli. Prince, Michel Prince. Alakwe justify like there's no morality in politics. As long as you get power, it is morally good. Allow and we will understand. You will see these political parties beginning clearly. Shika Begui Shake absolute how do I say it? Absolute holy organization. Holy organization get something like that. They manage and go on and get something. The men go to Canadian. Meguru Bugasia, Connie study. Naina go a rule a gen banner rule, no con manical long solve. Because society, middle order, Jana would say like middle order go con society, so they go on the other con. As no community go to other con understand. Read about it. Beniga in ideology of Siasa, where when it all win, I'm not to like we other countries, we cocaine money in your way. We nego fin. Be a Joe, a mesa, we could be positioned in your community, Kika society, being I would devotion, burn. I need a comment, long, but I'm just trying to explain. Thank you.
It was very good one. And I go moving forward, like I will ask a question to your ball, Molana Thor. Then you guys make it very short and brief so that we end our conversation. Generally, long like it's even difficult to understand our own politics. like you can live your life without politics because they are very, very connected. So other young people, yeah, we're young people, Molana Toa. So what is that personal discipline? Like to keep it very, able consume that much politics, so that you only stay on your personal development. Can even go comment there minus politics.
Okay. Go along. She tagadan bo she wewa. She mo chila do ba jam tot. Idan. Roy politique jen she ne. Hello jen. She mo kon to no won. Sala do jen daily conversation ko kon ka table kon dia. Jen kan nan long ka roy dan she ko no ja ko interfere. Hello jen chana ki rir to ko ay mi rir to ko en tin chi ko tu ni kon. Tam shi we to ko ay che birir ke je. La baro ay kelo ko to ngore la go terir to ko ay kelo binyo. Tam shi o kan kon nyor polde. Ajan. O along shi kon pri ga polde je tay kon la no won. La polde jen shi kon a peg along bo. Jen ko ral kon je wa menan shi ter. Ajan de roy to ban cham. Jen te dutu nganti shi kor wiran ga je. Do no la exercising polde kana dong diri mong je go mong. Kana odire credit site diallo ko gol. Ajan. Ala ke ta ga da mutot. Mo ko ben ko tidu as a youth ke nget ngumi diri let jan che ko dong diri politique bada kun nan gaje jan la jan te mi go la kon ngene je ta kon ko let ngon ti go bo ti da kon ko let da politique da ko nan kon mat jan long ka la to avoid politique long ke de engage long ka politique won mo ala de kon advice kon dial manan ba long chenama la politique che bay long ka so Sudan la chakan la ko kon apek pani go ni ci wota Sudan la wi ngay jen tem ci roge ala opinion me kan opinion me bi wuje ka politique la perspective ba roge
ala lim wi ñew yeah
ala no mo mi ci aw go ye ala chela no ci kon bo to Sudan but mi jin wet ala mu to Sudan la gor bete clear goal ki objective mi nangi to Sudan bi ngay wo ngum wila
lim what happened to your okay good man
ajan ko tam la wi la obi o baye mi wila bu ena bala jin ko bu ena bala
I want to swallow something. Then I want to swallow something. Then I want to put this.
Oh,
and we are about to finish, man.
very soon. Yeah. You can do it after just few minutes.
Okay, do it, no problem. Do it that things. It is normal.
Do it on camera, it is okay.
Yeah. Okay. Jawra dong bu mi lengi kumi. Ko gome. Ela min de lat. Ela dir kulan ga politique. O de go ko tu yalti ko go no tam la tam nan ci la rong long. Kon yos tin ci to ke long la ke 2018 after 2018 ba kuy tam kana between 2018 waka 2013 la yo de graduate kam taro apuy ta ke opportunity ka ta kare tidit ejan long ne rin pay graduate ke 2023 24 25 me plan ne din biben no dong bi ko ta da la long la kwal kuy me ngala pessimism la ko perspective la ta go yo la reality la che guye go china je te garu ne na je paradigm na go yen win mon la go ye ke different lens en ideal ejen chawo la ko bay te ram go je la ko bay te ga kapte piuto to re karam go je la ko bay tel piu ejen la South Sudan ka ta go je la o jen le la tel let go lanan den de kullat o puc la way drag ni je into politics mi kiro kurel ga je ko jen bu ko sabay ko bo no ji pan ko chay ngi ke dol gor mi kon ko wang way mo way fay ngun chay ngi te mo go te go mo yo way were kal kuy lo ne la tane fay lel ke shortcut man jin bu go ajen ala no mo ngong bay ka don ci choydu la ca go no mo men de la do nimshi na graduate shelong che Ethiopia kon ko graduate ku Ethiopia ke kan de alba jan ala kam le kam ngota me rong long jan ala dir gol gor nyogur dul gor dire nyogur ala diri di shema su degree dire gor kami nan dang do wonje be der scholarship ki ngo ko scholarship bo ka tan sa sudan go mo ka kuirol bunyu go mo lang go mo ke mi chilat jebo yoga ko option da rawde teji mu wi sa sudan tru la lat ala mi chit mi dir la dire gor ajan ala mi chilat nyan dire gor kel kan dul gor la kel je ke diri chula ko tambo wala tam ko ro wes la jaga la display min dire yow ta management o ta management go aw de te ndir te plan ke year mu wes bang la bay moy bay du mor lay la te dum wana bilo ajan bay moy straight dum wan di ga kilo be te ngong bay yong bo bay mo chirje la kui mo mi control gora la dir jalla ke two objective o one ko puji we dan ka puji la absolutely settle up me shop ko South Sudan ana share da intrap ma da work
Yeah.
ala me shop ko South Sudan dire ngayo jen la ko bitam no bi kul substitute tamanan bi kul substitute ko medong ko bi yong bi kul la men bila do lero kam bu mu gor le ko lar jeeri ci bayno bu mu gor scholarship raw kel la raw to kel bi pato ke bi yo win bi yo gaji la scholarship mi ya full funded bi lar ci ya employ mi ci long je min jego jeeren ba beje ba kana raw kel la o long diri gon o kana raw to ko diri tam diri invest diri moy fort smugo la kel ci win la diri ci wok je la o diri tam polte kana diri woy je ko ta ci ram ci employ kama ni zama la polte kaje la da la ram kan employment kan je ka kan dol gor je ba la ramo me le ka wan yer rawde la ba influence bero jere polte ka kan ro yalla ka bol jen joyitin shega min nem nan en ca kullar la ko sinen nem e tel yon o jin ko bu kullan ga polte goro mi lat bi la won me bu muti gorde bu mu gor dol gor la gor dol gor mo den ko ta dol gor yo ne ko no graduate ki Ethiopia ta ga bang bo ci o dir nyur ka gat diri master degree diri nyogar lero ko 1 year de 6 months la no dum pana beje no china de ku chide wala no kamete lo pan la to de album yigoto la ko e polo mo den den la ma diri won ko lene diri le mi del gor okay kam gu yiro la so dan gu yela optini ne bo ko ne di album banking go gel la o diri let ko kanda raw kel la win den la kel ci lonko jaga la diri tam polte ko diri ko jakka we kimen ko diri tam nan bo ndir ko wes cirdel bel gajere teka ko 1 year rami ci wes ki 2 years la tega bel mudir ko ko la je la tega mudir ndir lat ko jabat kene le jan wo toro kan go yew en mo discipline kel mo go mi dara la tam management o time dire plan year ngu year bo wadira la dir dir wo ngum bi to tan ko ba kel ngum ci to tan non to del to la dire del go yego ko dir min bla dir ndir ko lon len jan nyangu ci lat bo dir let dir invest ke business dir yow sa ko to del to go to jan law chawalong bo katam nan ci takato manay ba ko pala wan ma ba chongol
Well, thank you, Molana. That was a very great one. We remain with only one question, and that's it. But I'm asking Bull. Molana Bull, we have been talking about this years before politics, years minor politics. Given all the analysis and all of that, so what is like a more statement in that we should take as a use without rushing into politics? We don't prepare to be a great leader, out tomorrow. Like I know many of you they talk about there are politics is a difficult thing and all of that. So before into politics, full time job politics. More than like birth, will prepare without just rushing into it.
Question chere me kata dia ngai chere me chalu ini wana question mo. So tini go ngun dena lad me chana teka politics. Ko jini di nama kan linga go mo.
No, it's okay. It's also a question to all of us. We talk about we should prioritize our personal growth, our community before rushing into politics. So now we are in a practical. So what steps should we take? Yeah, uh, this is the question. Mm.
Kaya may kituwal right in kachi lim right in manan.
Okay, it's
Uh,
okay. It's also for all of us. If limb or so we cannot something on it.
dan awo mende nyomat ne wo kaya may chala dan wo politics chejan min nanen jegonga chejan ala mende nyomat kon ada yos mende nyomat ne wo goro ban la very careful ana very careful kata nanen ate ko wota me kata nanen bu teje wo ta kon kel kani de ba kon banyo ba ban kon go ken ikweja ikwe is up to us teje bana lo ya la kan kon that time nan wes ka banyo ban kon so ngai kon ati dial chike permanent ta te ga so Sudan na me che permanent the yin te ga time ba go iki we ye before crisis 2013 crisis go kon so Sudanese tele o media ala ta go kon ne wa ajene ba no dile go ge kenyam mende lar kon mende bi kon yoso go tona chara go ne wo wi ike dag ike bizdeka ka jenta beteje idi ala palge ke ba yinde time mi atame bijene wane bo wona ga wil bo letin bo toisin jur bete time bo equatoria bete time bo woni lato dial do bi ka pen kache che ku diu ni je bi ka pen ke wo to on dial kon student ni yana history yana learn tele minio ko kon jeno kulo ga ko yana ga ala cha kon binang e wo wi che da ka cha ngude ke jen wo na me mende advise ni yos ko menana de goro ne bana lat kon yos wo then in basic education come meta kon ka was time then education la then ja priority chai je ga dol goro pu da ta wan ni no wan we chai je but label na ni sije wrong be improve the queen go book mi tele master chera me tele gwa de master je tin na me chadi ta ini over practice ta training na me after 1 year but a license agent bala lawyer ba low practice ba yoga je and then wa mu gwe ta nan te condition why we je la wo cha power je bumela ba bararien ba wa politics and then mine nyor kel kon nas ba mu gora bilet ba la bilet wo politics e interest ajana bana ngai politics e interest me interest ana man te interest changa ni ngana na mu wa ka politics ta ke interest de interest de ma kane alama kana no ma bana ngai kon yo interest de ma kana no ran as a man keli reason mi dis teja kora ngai yana no mo for a reality so ani would take a mugur gwas mi tel the withdraw mi tel the new pro tagatin akon cha mer ki che to ti chila to kan reality poke sejen tell me ala mi ji we gwi je changi chi na bele mention politika tega to Sudan na me kon yos goro go bane gwi ni go ko politik manan kon go tija politik millat ke jang nuare ala no mo tele state ko sele nation mi chama wi dorken e kaye no mo e kay mi jang anta me kwara tele asfele me dundien la go ba na ruiken che kume no mo betel kami nuare asfele mai go e du nuare e bene nuare wo nuare bene la mer gi jina me wo nuare bene ye yendi ala ba ya muy lede ba le e kaye no mo as fialem ayo a national party kejen
a criminal ti kwa use ni je kwa inside the dun community, and this individual is a criminal. So kwa party mila political party why reduce katwai ina me as I say dunwari ne to kon yos bana ka kamjida na go med kinji damar mu wiling as well mjora as well mai go dunwari kayeno mo as well mai go national party. A national party mu go berar mu go ka kwar by executive yan kwan tele nuer dan wel kel wel jok wel wan ti binen ka executive ala nyur ke ate bol na ya do laken che jen ago me go bu ka swele mai go ko ba swele mai go be support chala ne go yo shona we politics mu bi je jimpit ago ku support na agenda to support ni try in nuari jam me go be ben ka swele mai go be mission ne ke vision ne bi kwen me ji at a time that recover ka stage me dir udar wo ga ka ji, and then so be it within bi go ala bu ka agenda ago me de nyom mat kon wo kon ke wo chana gwar ya kon nyei melen ko la ba yoy ba kon ba yoy po ne me dunjani ne me dunu har ka country ye dunan garen country mo na me de ne gui la o let kon ye ka kan kon ne de bitesin ka rundi janwan jem de be chana le ni je ka wo kon goran ndame take a question wo chana education yana nyo gur chana queen mita ka gap me gui la wo mila deal guju ke rami ci gwar mini ni je deal guje la te ka gap mi nyan dor bi question gwaru te ga matod makini fulfilti, and then you read kwenni bi te ka knowledge mo ga bi nga bi question bi te ka te logic cha den men cha bi kolot a simple thing jejen awo me de la de tame kon chana loy ka study mi cha ngaye no chana graduate ka tel ko knowledge apo chana loy ka study ala chana politics chana pal yana la mapal be mana kala gui be na chana waka bo ne chana ka study go na ngu lat ke ken tama asade brani jogo na spele mai aji tomorrow dar waka spele mai go dar ji jogo na rana spele mai go tomorrow dar waka
Molana this is a very good comment, but you are very political and we don't want that. So I would
yeah
like
no errol kan
no. Yeah. Thank you for the comment, and we're running out of time.
Yeah, finally I'll conclude no more comment education and channel menyo dul go yung lu kon education jejen chang nan political organization tamar waja on board your serai ko on board of ngu warai ko on board kon your education and menyo go yung no kon jejen o no mo jende nyo martin e go chana nyo diel ke dul gora so galo kela tu politics galo
Guys, it has been a very great time. Like, let's take a comment. If there are much, something you feel like it's good to be heard by others before we close our conversation. You are all welcome.
Okay. De lan telo ay.
Yeah, come.
Lim telo ay. Okay. Ko ci tan to dong tel ma dinu bala ñoko lat de lano ci loy telo ke ku agenda ko men ci kon discuss ko long ci debate kon la ko kon share ideas eden idea kel me ku kon le kurele de tendi gol eden ka conclusion bo jen kel eden o telo mi di long ala dio ci kon ba kon del kon mal je gol me kon ci kon tam bar ci kon na se golongo yu kon monsieur kana me ci kon bo share kel ke kon bo ñoo yen ne kon la goy ko ke ne kon la audience ci lo jate ba ko ye tanan dong ci programme na ci agor mo to da jen wana won yam kon kay be ko jey dem de la ci lo te ko ji o ci charu ci gëna wi char wana won yam ko ñin community den tan ka latte kon jen la nyona kel la mete ga idea magoro de longa let bana be nyokel bana share kel ajan no mo jino kwal cholo active community participation la participation no community la ko duk mo ka share ko mu ko dial la na ma kel ajan mu continue no no la man ri gol be wo ben la bana community dan bana mo direction la community no mon changi karoy ke debate ke discussion ni no matchere community be kul chon o dia we si bayo chongo ma si lo te long ke yendial ano bana je next time
lim jawru e joje alwa po no a problem we cannot hear you killing in limana
chinele
Yo, charamiyot, iya, we charamiyot.
hey
kana ngai
ngari ga nera ni bol you can say something
ko bol
Oh, ana gwali am kanang mande Martin jin kun yan nyirol community radio. Oh, chilo ina te ya. Jana la de use. Mi cha gu yo ne char long ke je, de ro ko na gi ka ka kon wa de go. Mene de na ro ko na but technology kana take internet. So mende but along the media na kon mate ya kana ba
ma gar chinere problem gar
saya ma ba
te rol me ne ma respond chon tere dong bare mala
okay
ko pal la ga biri wi
go
bara la
alga te
ne
mala go
okay
kwelo go thank you
ga
ya kana to we ko exit o na me go she yene ri cha initiative me cha kamra go ko kon o mate ma gui kon she jak mate ma gui kon she da kon ya open kejen mende kule nyom martine go apuj kiyo ne to dan na mala politic ke ditin long wo bane ngai wo wote de gore wo bane civic education go yenne de la shab ne ngai yen chondu no ngo ngai yene wo de yente de live civilian ngai yene wo tigindien ro gore wo ne de ne kala kwana encourage kona de la yos de na de ne diri program ke na makamrar de na invite ne de gui de sana de ka listena ko de ka biwa de gui ken which are discussed yang ni wo kon lo wo kon ni kon lo society dan tedi kon were wo kon ni kon were society dan tedi no more here politics we are discussing community again we are discussing community ala kere kamate topic use here politics there an kwini yeliang ki ka party ni do like this ti kon ro kon use ngode na la da wo mende encourage ni ya wo bianyo jakadide ma media bianyo jakadide ya community dan kelu bianyo include tanki yos koro community mete ni be ye de ideas ken de ke share kata nan te community ku jenen ka gani jen bi ga benyal babu gu yo ngu yer community ai chan ta guru ni ideale ken biliang rama kel biliang ai na rama kel bete ga idea anti go ti babeling gwa bana ro ngi ga rai betin bana ro ngi ga la sa ni ko me ai kam topic goro bite information ko ne me yo konte di we me konte di chemi chane kam topic use of course diri politics can use diri when go politics can use la tebe ka use ka politics take di so diri start yela no mo ja ji ka bangai du bere men na ka yara mi chega kam na ka yara mi chege
ano achi aling mai ambak
yeah cha jawru ko lim welcome back we are closing our
okay
program
ya
Chi to wal che left chi got some issues there
all right
so no mo mo go platform go kon go community dan wo men do kam yen ji role community wo ja inclusive are lo ga kele problem no ko discussing nuar problem no ken ko discussing so Sudanese problem no ken ko discussing jang te so Sudanese mo go de invite ni role tb kalas bi ayin ki bina yin ge ke ding naro ka arab ding naro ka to ka waini bina yin ge ke bi media the peace ka bete ka influence again the community radio ko community tv the peace ka bete ka influence bangai ko ko pormoni peace bangai ko ko pormoni bad me de baile non kira me ba na be jo tan ni agergo kana korpal ramo kira me de entertain media again ramatenen ga input ka go so Sudan der go ade ramatenen ga input ka go der lo go ade ramatenen ga input ka go dena bailen dena paladi ne to de yen ka baw tele go there are two politics there are no discussion go ade party me there are no discussion but ramat take a meet that person is good yeah yeah.
Okay, ana cha lunjok. Cha interrupt the connections, whatever. Ela, but okay, practical question cha kunke. And what can we do practical level in real life right now as we are minus politics. Ela more because may chana problem kuja we need to also propose some solutions. Ela men dene realega share practically chiamoti ta onjin kunke. Chirodu jelat. Ela do no dimo. Ela mo kuse me community. O community du kuse. Enyong moye jike incentive. Ti kwa ile motivate. Ela incentive mo mitik ambition. Siyaza ga. Ki social growth. Be utilized. Ka duobo gwi de nong benefit mu go. Be ladu community bin ko community yite connection ko already ko interact ga be let alara me top services and cha contract ko goda nu we what the goda be take a transfer community another way around la rikel ga nay okay so nay la dikel tama be an work shala friends men dodian would take expectation to go at work. A lot of week longer than approve and rule more. I welcome Minister of Information, whatever, be all longer word, KMP. We will long for form. That is a practical example. Youth minus politics. What Mr. Molana Bull is doing right now, a graduate, and tell me queer practice, queer law practice. That is also another thing. And instead of rushing into being recruited by a big guy somewhere, I work with, is good at writing. He will be good also at defending. Me choose me before others. They drug into that dirty politics. Take a short-term advantage. Key short-term impact. We use the time or the independent kind of take energy, media and all this. And a practical example what we are doing now. I'm studying priority. I will finish this. Let me finish this one this year. This is priority. Second priority, I will look for a job. After that, I'll serve myself, but community self. But fair. These are the priorities. Allow prioritization, then be cool succeeding to be the long achieve. when again mende man phenomenon that is a practical reality like lat ke ba man ta use to kiene to gui dan ta mo ko ben ka program introduce a program go I am sure ka quite believe o be grow bo chuk gwang de go ne me dara la ni TV ke unti abene dara radio station midi ga la kwa invite me ne go the voice and you want it this is just the beginning and jin kon ke chine dene yene team choramba plagares we yene go kwa promote biane go kien ma biaga no money in next time money in siyasa ba will discuss it siyasi chigi will discuss maybe not discuss it but a politician then invite from this side to that side and that side behind they invite but it take issue mu ye na she they clarify they be let they be link the public so mat dun go be you full radio me there way up and at a lot maybe we will link up next time. So this is the beginning. We see a lot together.
Well, thank you to three of you. It has been a very great conversation. I learned a lot. Maybe I'll learn. Money, Rami, will be recorded video and where watch after some time. So I'm happy. It has been a while. Like, you guys are in Ethiopia.
Yeah,
We are not together here. So, I hope a conversation our people will love it and it's also very useful to us.
Honorable Tudiel,
I'm very thankful to three of you. Before some to everyone who watched this live talk, we are very happy. Until next time.